Hello guys, today in this video we are going to talk about how to cancel X-VPN.io subscription. Okay, X-VPN.io, how you can cancel it. So first of all, I want to tell you, if you have purchased your subscription on your Android device, so you need to open your Play Store, you need to tap on your profile icon, you need to select subscription and payments, then you need to select subscription, then you need to select your app, X-VPN app, then you can follow on screen instructions and you can cancel it very easily. Okay, and if you have taken your subscription on iPhone, then you need to open your iPhone settings and then you need to select Apple ID, and then you need to select subscription, then you need to select your XVPN app, and then you need to follow on screen instructions, and by using this way you can easily cancel your XVPN subscription. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment, I will reply very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.